Thank you, everyone. Really, it's a pleasure to stay here with all of you this morning. I want to first say thank you, and a really big thank you, because all of that we have as AWS and as Ingram microcloud is thanks to all of your efforts to help our partners and our customers to solve the problems that they are facing every day. Really, thank you, because all of the things that we have and all of the new challenges that we are facing with our customers and with the partners, you are here to help to solve these problems and find the answer for all of these challenges. Just a little bit about me. I guess that maybe for my name, you are thinking, hey, he is not from Canada. Yeah, it's true, I'm not from Canada. I'm not from Texas, too. I'm from Colombia in Latin America. And I have a little bit more than 14 years trying to help the companies to move to the cloud, to understand the cloud economics, and most important is how we can help the partners and the end customers to understand the cloud journey and help these end customers to enjoy the cloud journey. How many times we are finding this kind of question from the customers? Hey, I am starting a cloud journey, oh my God, but it's a lot of problems. Maybe because the partner in this story is not the best partner, maybe because the partner didn't ask the good questions, maybe because the end customer didn't know what they want in the cloud. So the good thing is, I'm going to share with you 5 advices, 5 recommendations that we have here in Ingram Micro for all of our customers and partners. Because we want that you create a success stories in this cloud journey. And for the reason, we are going to share with you 5 great advices. And I think that it really is very good. Number 1. How many people here is a salespeople? Okay, how many engineers? Perfect. How many marketers? Perfect. Why I'm asking this? Because these 3 kind of persons always are looking for numbers. You can tell a story without numbers. That's it. Yeah. So for the reason, this is the idea of the slide. Yeah. And in a brief view about this, hey guys, the cloud is part of your business every day now. I'm sure that maybe before COVID, this is going to be more impactful. Hey, really? The company is going to use all of this money in cloud? I don't think so. But now, with the after 2 years trying to help partners and customers, we saw that the cloud is part of the organization every day. The IT organization and the IT teams inside the organizations are trying to help the stakeholders to find the best way to achieve the ROI. Because the IT teams, they are trying to change the paradigm that they are not just part of the teams that they are asking for money. They are trying to put benefits for the business. And I'm sure that you are having this kind of conversation with the IT leaders in your customers. Yeah? Hey, I don't have budget for this year. Mr. Partner, I need that you help me to cut the number in half for the next year, but please give me more services. Really, guys? So this is the old IT. And the new IT is saying, hey, Mr. Partner, and if you're having this kind of conversation, I'm sure that you are with me. Mr. Partner, I need your help because I have these 3 big projects, and I want to share with the SLT how the IT can help us, how we can accelerate this process with the cloud. So this is the first part of these numbers. But the second one, and the most important, and this is what I want to share with you, it's the cloud consumption. It's so different today. Maybe 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when the COVID starts, a lot of companies accelerate the move to the cloud, trying to find SaaS solutions to organize the team collaboration for all of the team members. So all the time, when the big companies, the first companies in this part of the COVID is talking about, hey, I need access to online communication, I need to create online meetings, I need to create online process for my team. But now, these companies, they already did the first step, they are looking, how more can I do in the cloud? So the mix between the IaaS and PaaS and the SaaS is going to change. The new organizations are thinking, okay, now I'm here, I'm paying for email services, I'm paying maybe for some kind of communication services, but how these amazing things in cloud can be used in my normal and day-by-day business? How can I accelerate my business with that? And this is the message that I have here, because in AWS, And with all of the support with Ingram Micro Cloud, you can enjoy this immediate opportunity that we have to accelerate our customers' cloud journey. The business is outside. I'm sure that all of you are having different conversations with your customers. Today, hey, Mr. Partner, what is the next step that I can do here? I have some servers that maybe are going to be out of date soon. Can you help me with that? And I want to tell you, and I'm sure that here everyone knows that with the AWS powerful cloud, you can have a lot of CPUs, a lot of amount of RAM, a lot of different storage with just 30 seconds. Yeah? And this is the cloud, or this is the speed that the customers are looking today. So what are these 5 important advices that I'm going to share with you? Number 1, the danger to overpromise to the customer. Maybe when we don't have all of the knowledge about the cloud, you do this mistake. When you say to the partner, yeah, I can do that in cloud. Someone in AWS or Ingram is going to help me, but we can do that. Yeah. It's important to understand what is the customer needs, what they need, what is their objective, what is the metrics KPI for this new project for the customer. And based on that, you can say, you know what, maybe I don't have all the hardware here, but I have the Ingram Micro Cloud team ready to help me to understand this partner. I have all of the pre-sales team in Ingram Micro in AWS ready to help me to understand your needs and to tell you how much time I'm going to take to develop your solution or to find the solve for your problem. So take care every time that you have a conversation with your partner. Take care that you can overpromise everything. Remember that the cloud is so powerful, but we need to understand what is the correct steps to this cloud to solve the challenge that the customer is facing at this moment. Number 2, the lack of tools reduce the efficiencies. The magic of the cloud is the speed, is the change that you can offer to your customers at the time, immediately. But as a partners, we are in the middle part of the operation. So we need to support all of your customers. We need to offer to your customers faster information about what they are using, how is this going to build, how much they are going to pay, and how is the billing that they are receiving, how it is going related for the different products that they have. The good news, I'm sure that maybe when you start in the cloud, you have 1 or 2 customers, and maybe it's easy to do this with a spreadsheet. But now that you are growing, in Ingram Micro Cloud, we have all of the tools that you need to accelerate and automatize this process. In Ingram Micro Cloud, you can find our cloud marketplace. We are going to talk a little bit later about Cloud Checker, an amazing tool that we have to provide for all of your partners to accelerate and understand this process and automatize the building process for your customers. So if at this moment you are not using these tools in your day-by-day business and you are with Ingram Micro Cloud, okay, first flag, contact one of my members of my team because they are ready, they're ready to use, and you are losing this opportunity. And if you are not in Ingram Micro Cloud, the next question is, why? You can have all of these opportunities ready to use, all of the automation ready to use, free for you, just because as Ingram Micro Cloud, we are here to help you to build this cloud journey. Okay? So always that you need, or you are thinking about cloud business, thinking automatization. Number 3, not leveraging the marketing support effective. Sometimes we are all the time thinking about the business, what is the customer's need, what is the pre-sales that they need to have. But sometimes we lost or we forgot that the marketing team is so important. We have a lot of opportunity outside, but we need to tell to the people that we can help them. And in Ingram Micro Cloud, we are here to offer to you all of the support that you need in marketing. Our marketing team is working every day, not just to offer this kind of events for every one of you. All of our go-to-market hub, as Logan said a few minutes ago, is going to be relaunched. New content, new assets, ready to use. We are taking the best that we have with AWS. We are taking all of your vast experience in the cloud and putting together for you that you can create and generate demand in the Canadian market. And this is the most important thing, because I know that today, when you are in the NPN network, you can go directly to the AWS go-to-market hub. Yeah. But with the Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace, Ingram Micro Cloud Go-to-Market Hub, you are going to have the content curated for the Canadian market. So ready to use with your Canadian customers, ready to use to create demand, ready to use that you can create the success that you are looking for. Number 4, customer service and support. A problem in the cloud. It's a big problem. Logan told us a few minutes ago, when the customers take the decision to move the key operation to the cloud, they are taking a big decision. And a problem in the cloud can be a big problem because maybe it's the core operation of the organization. The good news. Anyone want to guess what is the good news?
You guys provide support.
Correcto! Exactly, this is. In Ingram Micro Cloud, we are here to support, or more than support, 24/7 hours, ready to help you, to support your customers, to understand what is the problem that they have, to find a solution. So, we are here to help you, to stay behind you, that you can put this happy face that the customer wants to see when they have problems. And this happy face is going to support for Ingram Micro and for the solution that you need, that you want to offer to your customer. Okay? So, free modern support, free customer services, our customer success team ready to help you to understand the strategies that you want to build for your end customers. So benefits, benefits, and benefits. And number 5, I guess that destroyed this slide for me with the last conversation. It's so important to stay up to date. The cloud is changing every day. And it's so important for your sales team, for your technical team to understand all of the new changes. Because maybe the problem that the customer is facing at this moment, the new service is going to help this customer to find a solution. It's going to help you as a partner to find the solution, to come with all of the support that we have in Ingram Micro Cloud, to train your teams, to participate in events like the Cloud Practitioner Bootcamp that we are going to launch during the afternoon, to train your team, to understand the basics of the cloud, to understand the deep knowledge, to find the deep knowledge that they know in the cloud, that they need in the cloud to help your customers and business. The day that you are not learning something new in the cloud, this is a flag. Something is happening. Maybe you don't check it in your Twitter, you are not checking your LinkedIn, or you don't are taking the course that normally you take every day. So stay up to date with all of the new technologies. Are you ready to innovate in your cloud sales process and be the new rock star in the cloud journey? This is our objective, that you be the rock star in the cloud journey. We are here to support you. We are here to help you to build this cloud journey, to accelerate the business. It's not important if at this moment you are starting the cloud journey, if you already have some customers and you want to optimize this consumption, or if you are looking for new end customers. In Ingram Micro Cloud, we have options and alternatives for everyone. And with this idea in mind, I want to introduce to you our new incentive and special incentive that we have for all of your partners today here in your roadshow in Toronto. So I mentioned 3 different tiers on 3 different stages in this cloud journey. Number 1, new partners that at this moment they are not working with us in Ingram Micro. We are here to offer to you up to $600 for your first free building with Ingram Micro. So if you have customer at this moment or you are working in a new opportunity, don't hesitate in contact all of your pre-sales team to help you to understand what is the next step, what is the architecture that you need, and to help you to move this consumption with Ingram Micro. If you have at this moment customers that are working with you and you have maybe a MAP certification or a MAP migration class qualifier that you can, or you are working to move these workloads to the AWS cloud, please let us know. We have the accelerating customer incentive ready for you. Or if you already have some customers and you are looking for new end customers, we have the growing your baseline incentive. Depending on what you are, what is your actual stage, just let us know. We're here to help. All of the sales team is here to contact. If you have any question, let me know during the break. But the idea is we need that you be success. This is our objective, and we are here to help you. And with this in mind, I just want to say thank you, and I want to invite to the stage one of my AWS friends, Maria Ellis, who is our Canada partner lead in AWS Canada. Maria.